initial video I did on the one generator. This is our camper. It's a 35-foot Outback, 15,000 BTU air conditioner, outdoor fridge, rear slide out, which is kind of cool for the bunk room, for our little wheelchair bridgie, and then a side slide. So anyway, I thought I'd do a power up and run the air for you so you could see what kind of capacity that this has. One thing I did notice about it is the hour meter only registers when the generator's running. In other words, each time you cycle off, the hour meter resets, so it only shows you the current run time. So I went ahead and installed this hour meter that I got at a Yamaha dealership. And what's nice about that is it shows a tachometer on it as well. So we'll look at that when it's running too. Another thing I didn't mention on my initial review is how nice it is to change the oil. They have this little hose here with a valve on it, so there's absolutely no mess for changing the oil. I did add the magnetic dipstick from Wen as well, which I've only got probably 8 hours on this, so we'll see after 20 hours what kind of material we get on that dipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this up. Alright, so everything is off in the camper as far as big appliances, so we're just gonna pull the cord and we'll plug in the camper. So about the only thing that will be running now is the refrigerators. Another thing I just installed is kind of cool is this. If you're interested and you have an RV, the screenshot automatically closes your screen door. I hate it when my wife leaves that screen door open all the time. Alright, so here we are. Alright, air conditioner, let's crank this puppy on. Temp to frigid. Let's see if we can hear. Okay, with the air running. We are running at about 40% capacity. My voice is actually louder than that exhaust. Very impressed with that. So the outdoor fridge is running. The air is running. Now, let's try microwave. 1 minute. You can hear the generator power up. So pretty impressive considering that we had a 3650 Furman, and it would not run the air in the microwave, and it was much louder. Power this off. Generator power down. I should have looked at the RPMs. Let's try this again. We'll look at the RPMs when it's running at close to 90% load. That's cool high, by the way. Microwave on. Air conditioner on. By the way, I am properly vented. I have door open there, door open back there, and it's really nice breeze coming through.